Every year, BOMA San Francisco honors commercial properties in its Earth Awards program. We document the finalists and showcase their winning qualities. Here's a short video showing best practices in the areas of sustainability, energy efficiency, and waste diversion.
It's a very simple building. It's an older building, 1912 vintage, and there's really not a lot of equipment here. It's very easy to operate. Once we got all the kinks out of it, it runs very smoothly. The building is steam heated by use of radiators in the tenant spaces. Each tenant has control of the radiator. So if they're too warm, they can turn the radiator off. If they need ventilation, they can open their window. As long as it's quiet and heating, that would be my favorite radiator.
It's been managed by this wood company for a couple of years, and we've worked really hard on making the tenants more knowledgeable about our sustainable practices and how they can incorporate them into their office.
In 2007, our engineering department started operating the building, and the first thing that we looked at was the steam usage. And we made some changes on the hours of operation and cut 50% of usage. We achieved the Energy Star rating of 98% by lowering our steam usage, by adding LED exit signs, T8 lighting, variable drive to our domestic water pump. And we also take daily water readings. And every day we compare readings with the previous, and if we have a leak, we know it, and we will start looking through the building to find out where the water's going.
We're the first building in San Francisco to implement a day cleaning program. Prior to the implementation of the program, we went around to all the tenants and educated them on what's involved in the program, as well as telling them about the environmental benefits of the program. So we really took a hands-on approach to implementing the program, and it's been successful. The tenants have accepted it. We got questions and a lot of feedback in the beginning, but we're still on board, and it's been a successful program.
We're always looking for ways to improve our building and our energy consumption, and we're often partnering with vendors and utilities, PG&E for grant money to help with incentives there. This building was built with operable windows, which allows the tenants to partially control their comfort level without consuming any energy.
There's not too many buildings in San Francisco, especially in the financial district, where we have operable windows. You can actually go out to the balcony.
What makes this building unique is that it's a heat pump system building. The normal business hours are actually things ran and timed, but if a tenant wants to have additional services beyond those times, they can actually program themselves to run it and get billed back.
We've recently upgraded our cooling towers, increasing our capacity by over 30%, increasing our pump pressure by over 50%, but at the same time, because we installed variable frequency drives, we're able to reduce our energy consumption.
505 Sansom, we have available to us a winter garden, which is a 2-story atrium greenhouse with windows that look out on Redwood Park. It's very common to find tenants enjoying lunch or taking a break in the Redwood Park. The winter garden provides an avenue for tenant events, such as an environmental awareness day and a health fair. One of the things that we like to say at the Pyramid Center is that conservation is everyone's business. One of the ways that we collaborated and shared educational information about LEED certification, as well as the sustainability practices that we have in place in this building, was through an environmental awareness day. It was really exciting to see not only that 505 Sansom is a green, sustainable building, but that our tenants took that information and that opportunity to improve their home lives.
We had an easy time partnering with our tenants, and then with that and reaching out to our vendors and some of the utilities, as well as the SFPUC, we were able to really make some great achievements.